even know at first though.
And mine, they don't want the small blueberries. They want these big crop.
What is the small blueberries?
They have them like in half pop. Not as big, not as thick. You see?
Open that. That's a blackberry.
That's a blackberry, yeah.
He black.
I guess that's half the bottle.
Alright then.
I go shopping on my way to work, right? You just pick up a chocolate bar and eat while you shopping, man. Never pay for it.
That nigga is disrespectful. Get the brown one. Like them.
You know brown bananas?
You used to have, are we doing avocado or something?
Yes, bananas, pears.
But they pears it. Nobody avocados. What's the difference?
We just call it pears over here.
Oh. I can get the smallest one. They could be like a side dessert.
We cooking
Oh, so we ain't doing them right now.
That's the banana we need. We might be doing some banana pancakes or something.
I mean, but we can stick to the green. It's supposed to be brown.
It's supposed to be nice and rotten. It's the most rotten bananas.
Time out. We actually supposed to be.
It's supposed to be rotten brown. There we go. There we go.
Nobody. Who say that? Who made that rule?
Brownie said that actually. That's what Brownie do it. Like Brownie used to always get rotten.
You sure, buddy?
Yeah, positive.
See, when you say the word rotten and stuff I gotta eat, it don't compute, dog. How much for this?
$2.99.
Or we all natural, bro. That one now.
Gotta find the sweetest one.
So what would be the point of smelling it?
See if you can find the center of the pineapple.
If it doesn't have a scent, then it's sour.
I wouldn't say sour, just when it reaches full ripeness, as you know what I'm saying? Like all of them look small and gray, you don't think so?
Yeah. Damn, like got it up mini oranges.
Yeah.
No.
Nah, we need no orange.
Know what I'm saying?
You got pancake by home? Nah. I see you gotta get pancake.
Ah, yeah. Right out. Do 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 do. Do do do. Yeah. Yeah. Do do do. Do do do. Yeah. What a budget?
I like buttermilk complete.
What's the difference?
Buttermilk pancakes have a more fluffier, you know what I mean, vibe to it because you use buttermilk. You know, buttermilk is, how do I put it, more sour. You know what I mean? Thus to give it more aerated feel, more fluff, as compared to just dough, regular. That's flour, eggs, and you know what I mean, sugar. Buttermilk comes off just a little bit more fluffier. You know what I mean? Boom, buttermilk. And that one going for $2.68.
Why we can't get the bigger buttermilk? Oh, that's too much. This can be enough for like 4.
This could be enough for how much?
4. They just have the number.
Serving size. Amount per serving 4. How you know so good?
What if we mess up? Let's go with the bigger buttermilk.
If you don't mess up, okay. Oh.
Yeah, let's go with that.
You got syrup.
Already have syrup.
Got boom, syrup done.
Alright, we need. Well, I can buy ice on the way back home. Where is she? I don't see the regular cases, but they got like drops and all. She kisses up down.
Yeah.
Think that is.
Yeah.
Can we put whipped cream on the smoothie?
That sounds just as good.
Yeah.
You got cooking oil on?
But I get oil. I know
Yeah.
what dog.
You know, we gotta buy one just in case as the pancakes faster.
Oh no, they can't use butter, but they ain't gonna make it.
Butter good, burn it fast, too fast. 5 smoke in the glass like that.
Slide there. There was some big eagles. Niggas would have called pest control. Long time.
242
My niggas, oh, that's the mother bird.
31, yeah.
On the first episode of Birdwatch. Our head highlighter.
There's some niggas in shop, but we gotta find the cheapest price. But you know what I mean? You can't be picking up something that's because the name brand that's expensive. And you know damn well we putting this bag of Hershey's back, right? We gonna go buy a handful of them, 10 cents each.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of
You know what I mean? I thought our cousin Wesson was good. Who Cisco is? Who Cisco? Oh, Crisco.
Cisco?
Oh, I thought this. I couldn't read. I saw.
Yeah, we got
SCU.
Crisco, but no, but Crisco going for cheap, giving us a better deal right now. So we rocking with Crisco.
I don't even know who Crisco is. It's the heaviest, most lottiest.
We making this syrup, right? And we want to go on a little, you know, I mean, not the syrup. We making this for the smoothie.
Hmm.
I want to put a sweetener in it. You know what I mean? I want, you know what I mean?
So when you mess with the brown sugar.
I'm just trying to go on a healthy tip here. You know what I mean? But
Oh, that's the honey.
Sugar.
sugar.
All
Point blank.
times turning into sugar. You know what is key to? Keep exercising.
There we go.
You'll burn it up.
Alright.
Okay?
I like that.
I watch a lot of people who are so freaky in exercise, they drop dead on the track. People running every day, they're like, bring it on, bomb. So, you know what studies have shown? They don't get enough rest.
Oh.
Yeah, I come home.
Oh, jeez.
That's it.
I work at Abilities Unlimited,
Mm-hmm.
and there are people there who never run in their life.
Never.
80 years old. Okay, you go to geriatrics and really still
Again.
going. Tell
Still
you,
going.
and nice and slender like you all, you know, they do the regular exercise on his leg.
Mm-hmm.
I have a book called Eat for Your Blood Type. You go and buy that at
Eat for your
Lowe's.
blood type.
Oh,
For your blood type.
Oh, I know. Sorry.
Every blood type has different food.
Mm.
Yeah,
I don't know
find
that.
out.
I'm a O blood. You know what O blood are?
What's that?
We are
Universal.
carnivores.
Supposed to eat
okay.
me.
Thank you very much.
Supposed to eat
Do
me.
you? I do not get full unless I eat a protein food.
Alright,
I could
then.
eat all the time starch in the world and all vegetables
Sweet
will do
potato,
us in.
yeah,
Oh no, vegetable ain't for old
broccoli,
people.
yeah, broccoli.
Oh,
Yeah,
don't touch
no.
the
They don't
cabbage.
like that, yeah.
You can eat cabbage if
Brussels
it's raw.
sprout.
You can eat coleslaw.
Yeah.
Anyway, but when you cook that
And
shit,
one boil up?
that's
Oh,
another
nah,
story.
that's a
None,
different-
none. You
Get-
boil
get
inside.
this-
Boil inside.
Oh, yeah,
Get this
somebody-
on me.
Yeah.
Get this out of me right
Yeah.
now.
Bro,
Oh.
oh my goodness, it smells like pork.
Listen, I bought I cooked some of that on Sunday, and trust me, I
Mhm.
almost died Sunday night. I had to tell my husband, go cook me some oats.
Need
man.
the
Like,
oats, eh?
oh, I boil
Need the
inside.
relief.
Then you keep burping it, there's so
Oh
much
yeah,
gas.
nah.
Oh, it wasn't until I ate the oats I had relief.
Alright then.
Don't fool with it. I throw the rest away. But I had left there, and I told him he could have it. He said, if it's doing you like that, you think I want it?
He ain't messing with that.
Alright, madam.
Watch out for what you eat. Remember one thing. If you watch National Geographic,
Yeah.
National Geographic show you all the animals in the jungle. Do you realize they are meat eaters in the jungle and they are vegetarians?
Yeah, herbivores
Guess
and
what?
carnivores.
Don't care how hungry the meat eaters are, they don't eat grass.
They don't turn down the
That's-
grass.
Okay.
They eat what they supposed to eat. They supposed
That's
to
what
eat.
I'm
that.
saying. The same thing as a human being. We just don't know it.
We just don't know.
They know it. We just don't know it.
I like
A
that
snake and a lion eat nothing dead. Watch them. Their food must be moving.
That's true.
They have to catch that.
That's true.
That's true, you know. They don't go to a carcass.
Oh,
They don't go
okay.
to
They
the
don't go to
carcass.
carcass. They roll over that pass that by.
I want that.
They go to the carcass.
Are you walking? You get about what?
That's true. That's true. That's a good point.
Thanks a lot, madam. Appreciate that.
We learn from the animals.
Yeah, no, they
Love.
shoot.
That's a good lesson. The lions don't go to carcass.
Hey, telling you, king of the jungle. I'm by a fat girl and remind me to do that with me head, man.
You want the jug? Bring the jug with you?
Nah, that's a crap.
Expensive. Oh, the crap.
I can buy the next one, dog. Need something to lift.
You need something left.
It's like do curls.
Oh, you wanna do that?
Yeah.
Tahini bars.
Huh?
I said, yeah, look at that tahini bar.
What's the heat? Oh, okay.
Tahini is like sesame seed, boom. We call them benny cake and sesame seed. See that same little thing that's be on top of your hamburger bun?
Yeah.
That's sesame seed. You take a lot of them, you grind it up. That'll give you a tahini paste. You take the paste and you make more different stuff from it. Sesame seed paste, right?
That should be it, right? Oh no.
be using pineapples, you have to cover.
Welcome to an episode of. We ain't get no name yet.
An episode.
This is the first one that we're gonna do. Got my boy Adam with me.
Alright, everything straight. I got what I need.
You alright, bro?
This is what we gonna do. Alright. In essence, what we try to do here is give you an idea how, I don't want to say Bahamian men, but hey, that's the only kind of man I am. How men cook here in the Bahamas. You know, we don't have no recipe or no certain guidelines that we follow, but you know, we just do what we gotta do. Say you got a honey over, right? She done spend the night. You know what I mean? You don't get what you want, obviously. And she ain't gone nowhere yet. I mean, if you was a nigga like me, she ain't gone nowhere yet. You have a chance to make her breakfast. So we gotta capitalize on this moment, gents. We gotta be able to see this moment and be able to say, hey, you know, I could make a wow factor happen here. So what we gonna do is give you an insight on what we make for breakfast. Something small, something light, you know what I mean? Nothing too hard. Anybody could do it. Like we doing it. I should tell you, anybody could do it. So yeah, the ingredients for the day are making pancakes, by the way. Yeah, we gonna make our pancakes with a nice smoothie for breakfast, you know what I mean? We gonna try something like that. So yeah, I got some like buttermilk complete. I got some like sugar in the raw for the smoothie, you know what I mean? I got some whipped cream for a two. I got some like pineapple slices. I don't know how I'm gonna use this yet, but I'm gonna use it. I buy chocolate. Like, we gonna figure something out. We have like blackberries. Like ladies love fresh fruit in the morning. We have oil to cook with. We have rotten, but not rotten bananas, but we have some okay bananas here that we probably could use for banana pancakes. And then that's it, you have empty bite. Alright. So what I'm seeing here, what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling, what I'm vibing. This nice blackberry smoothie, yeah, boom. She gonna like that, she gonna like that, she gonna like that. And what I'm feeling for breakfast is like, of course, pancakes, but with blackberry and kisses in it. I mean, because Valentine's coming up, you know what I mean? Fresh fruit on the side. Anyway, we'll figure that out from there. But yeah, let's start on the pancake first, you know what I mean? What we got here is Aunt Jemima Buttermilk Complete. This is the best thing to get. Reason being, because look right there. See what it says? Just add water. Gentlemen, it don't get no easier than that, my friend. Like, all
you telling me?
Just add water.
All I can do
is just add water.
is go to the faucet
and just add water.
in the backyard.
And just add. Not in the backyard.
Get the hose.
Okay, I ain't good at your place.
Open the spigot. Where the spigot is.
Which is like stove.
Open.
How do you like your stove?
Oh.
Yeah, just add water.
Alright, people. We about to get it flaming hot.
Ain't about to be flaming hot. Just about to cook.
We about to cook some breakfast to show you all some of our skills. Let's make it happen.
Nice and fluffy. That's why I want it over there. Nice and fluffy. And actually, if you read the box, it does tell you it's okay if the batter has a few lumps in it. You know, they're gonna cook out real quick. But this is what we're gonna put in the pancakes today: banana and some Hershey's chocolate. All right, it's pretty simple, pretty nice. She's gonna like it. It's gonna be something different. Alright, let's test the batter out. Let's see if this pan's getting hot. I don't like how this pan is dented in the middle, but we're gonna make it work. No pan at home is perfect, ladies and gentlemen, okay? No pan at home is perfect. You need to stop it. But that's how you do it. You have it inside there. You sprinkle some chocolate chips right there. Yeah, there we go. I like plenty chocolate.
That's lit, bro.
And then guess what? We're gonna take some bananas and we just gonna drop them right in there, just like that.
Okay.
Carbon.
Okay.
Carbon.
Okay.
Carbon. And then carbon. And then we just let that bad boy cook for a minute. Don't want your fire too high. You don't want it to burn. You want it to be my color. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's a good color for you. Some people like it dark. Now I'm getting there. Yeah, that's actually you. Yeah. Want to make sure it isn't sticking nowhere.
No. Slices per
Not
pancake.
necessarily. It depends on if you really like banana or not.
I want 80.
Alright, then we gotta drop some more inside there.
She saw that. She saw that. She
Jeez,
saw that.
good like that. We want to turn our stove down. You make sure it doesn't burn. This is a very thin pan. And let's flip it. Let's see if we can get you flipped. This is a very heavy pound cake, and boom! It does. It flips. So I want to make sure it doesn't stick. What do? Add a little bit more oil. Boom. And we're gonna let you slowly cook, right? Let your bananas cook, caramelize, let your chocolate melt. It's gonna be awesome. There you see.
Blackberry.
Come on, dudes. Y'all could think. Let's go, gentlemen. Y'all know better than
The
that.
blacker the berry.
The sweeter the juice.
Oh, I was gonna say the more toast, but
There we go. Homemade banana and chocolate pancakes. And if she don't like, even if she like more chocolate, then we just gonna put more chocolate on top. You know what I mean? Just let it melt.
chocolate.
And then of course, to make us smile even a little bit more, you have to add the whipped cream. And then some more bananas. And then some more chocolate. And then if she likes syrup, we could add some more syrup too.
Syrup and chocolate.
Yeah. Boom. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Just for her, banana and chocolate chip pancakes. Alright, it's basically a continuation of breakfast. Cooking for your friend in the morning, you know, that significant other when they're staying over, you want to put that wow factor over, you know what I mean? And we made chocolate chip and banana pancakes earlier. Now we want to make something nice, refreshing, a little bit on the health tip for them to drink, you know, for breakfast. We're going to make a blackberry smoothie. Real simple, real nice, and at the same time, has not the regular sugar, but we use something called organic raw coconut sugar just to be a little bit different, to be on the safe side. But here's the recipe for it. We're going to take some blackberries, like 2, 4, like 6, 8, and then 10 of them right there. Boom, nothing too much. Take like a cup of ice, because you know, cup of smoothie. And you use some regular plain old yogurt inside that vanilla flavor. You know, if you can't find the vanilla flavor, then feel free to use whatever flavor you got around you. You know what I mean? And we just gonna put some of that in there. What the yogurt does is it gives it a nice like balance, gives it a proper body. You know what I mean? And I wanted to be a little bit sweet, so that's why I bought some of my coconut sugar. You know what I mean? And I wanted to feel special that I using something nutritionist on it. You know what I mean? So I sprinkle some of that in there. Boom.
I sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Then I get a little bit of water.
You should say it's spry something.
Just a little bit of water. Just a little touch. Just a little touch. If we need to add more, we can add more. Put our cap on our blender. If you have a magic bullet at home, you can do this in a magic bullet. Much easier. You know what I mean? Has a button right here called Smoothie Ice Drink. Guess what?
So, I'm out there getting myself again. How do I know when it's too thick or too thin?
When you see the blender acting up, like it's like you hear a bunch of noise, but you don't see no working going inside the blender. Yeah, that's how you know it's too thick. So what I did was I added a little splash of water. But like I said, you want to add that water gradually. You don't want to just be pouring water in there because you would end up with what he say, too thin smoothie.
So the wine can be soggy.
Soggy.
Man, I know soggy.
Nothing soggy. You want something wet?
Whoa.
This cup stands up. The bottom will stand up and lift up. But boom, there we go. Cup stands up perfect. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Blackberry smoothie, yeah? Boom.
You taste it.
No, stop.
Oh.
If not, why not? You know what I mean? Boom. Try it.
Blackberry smoothie with the whip and the dip.